Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will solve this particular series. We will write a program to find sum of this series 2 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x plus 6 raised to power x and so on. So we will follow the similar approach as the previous videos. So the input that we will take from the user is the x value. So x value will be taken as input. And then if you see, we don't need to take number of terms as input from the user, because see, if you see, the difference is 2. This is an arithmetic series if you ignore the power x, 2, 4, 6, 8, and we know the last term is 20. So it is how the series will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So there will be total 10 terms. So we can just simply initialize n with 10. Then we will use a loop. In loop we will have two variables, one for the I, like one for the number of terms, which will iterate from I equal to 1 to I equal to 10, and the other one will be for those numbers to calculate the sum. It will start from the first term and will go on till 20. So basically it will increment every time by 2. So for I equal to 1, this is for the number of terms, and the other variable we can take as a, and a will start from the first term, which is 2, and the loop will go on till n, I less than equal to n value, that is 10, and I will be incremented every time by 1. Basically it is iterating through each term, and my a, which will be used to calculate the sum, will increment every time by 2. So inside the loop we are going to calculate the sum. So we can initialize sum as 0 initially, and then inside the loop it will be sum equal to sum plus. So we have to use the power function, because every value is raised to power x, and which value is raised to power x? The 8th value. So a will be raised to power x every time, and then we will print the sum. So suppose my n value is 2. So for in the first iteration my I will be equal to 1, a will be equal to 2, this is I equal to 1, a equal to 2, and n value is 2. So sum will be 0 plus a is 2 raised to power. Suppose my x, the value of x given by the user is 2. So 2 raised to power 2, which is 4. So my sum will be calculated as 4. And now my I is equal to 2. A will be incremented by 2. So a will be 4. And x is 2. And it will go inside the loop because I is 2 and n is also 2. So 2 equal to 2, that is true. When I will become 3, then this condition will not be satisfied. It will come out of the loop and print the sum. So for the second case, the condition is satisfied. So we will go inside the loop. Now my sum value is, previous value is 4 plus power a power x. A is 4 and my power x is 2. So what will be the value? 4 plus 16, which is 20. Now I equal to 3, condition is not satisfied, so it will come out of the loop. So my sum value will be printed as 20. So let's move to our Eclipse and write this program. New class. So let me give the name as sum of series because this is the third problem that we are solving. So that's why I gave the name 3. And I will stick public static void main so that it is auto populated. Okay, so I will just delete this comment and maybe add this comment. Program to find sum of with double slash, or we can add comments, and this is my series. Okay, so I will have to add the power symbol here to indicate that this is 6 power x. Okay, now as we have already seen, n we will declare as 10, and here only we can declare sum also equal to 0. Now for taking the input, we will make use of scanner class. We will create an object of scanner class. Let me import this scanner class. Now I will ask the user to enter the x value. That is power value. Okay, and I will store that value in x variable. Maybe I can just initialize x here and add its value here. So that will be an integer, so I will use sc.nextInt. Basically I will use nextInt to input an integer value. Now I will start my loop, which is I will start from 1 and a will start from the first value, which is 2 in this case. Then it will go till I is less than equal to n. I will increment by 1 and a will increment by 2. A plus equal to 2 meaning a equal to a plus 2. Now here sum will be sum plus math dot, we will use the power function of math, this one. Okay, so it takes double as an argument, so since we can use integer also here because integer is compatible with double. Okay, so I have to raise a power to x. So x is my power, a is my base. Okay, so it is giving an error, cannot convert double to int. Okay, so we can just take all these values as double. So we cannot convert that. It is not compatible. We have to declare these variables as double only because in the power method the argument should be double. So I declared all of them as double. So in double you can take integer also as an input. Now after that we will just print the value of my sum. And like this is giving some kind of warning, SC is never closed. Okay, so we can close SC after that inside. This is where my loop ends. I have printed the sum. Now I can close SC. So the warning has gone. So let's save this and let's run this. So let me enter the same values as we have seen previously. So the power value is 2 and sum is 1540, which is wrong. Sorry, which is not wrong, which is right. Because here the n value we are taking as 10. So if we add all those values together, if we add 2 power 2 plus 4 power 2 plus 6 power 2 till 20, so this is the sum that we are going to get. So I can check it with a lower value also. I will take n equal to 2 and then run, and I will take the power as 2. So sum is 20 as we had seen previously. Okay. So similarly, you can add any power. Let me run it and take power, save it, and take power as 1. So it will be 110. So if you add all these terms above, then it will result into 110. So I hope you got the program. Basically, you have to take the x value as input from the user, and you are using scanner class to get the input from the user. And then you have to take a loop and declare two variables in that. One is I, which is iterating through the number of terms. I will go from 1 to n, and then the other loop will start from 2, the first term, and it will increment every time by 2, the difference in the series. And we will just calculate the sum by raising my a value to the power x, and then we will print the sum. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.